recipient of the 2026 Manny Pichel Award. Ito po ay una kong naging editor 39 years ago. Isa sa nagtiwala sa akin. Kaya naman very, very proud akong i-present sa inyo ang ating awardee for tonight, Mr. Lars Santiago.
Thank you very much, Philippine Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors, for this honor. Masasabi ko po na sulit na yung 49 years ko sa industry with this award. Nagsimula po ako noong 1977, writing for yung tawag po nila Mosquito Press, yung We Forum, under the mentorship of the great newspaperman, the late Joe Burgos Jr. And then naging entertainment editor din po ako, katulad ng mga members ng Speed ng Ang Pahayagang Masa, until I went freelance, running columns and articles for different magazines and newspapers, until television beckoned to me. Nagsimula po akong magsulat ng script for entertainment talk shows. Pinch hitter ako ng C2, and then regular script writer ng another showbiz talk show, yung Scoop, with Lolit Solis and Boy Diquilla. Before, that was in IBC 13, before I transferred to ABS-CBN, kung saan naman po nakasama ko yung matalik kong kaibigan, the late Mario Dumawal, as reporter for Star News of TV Patrol. And then I transferred to GMA. Doon po naging buo na ang aking pagiging television person, because na-experience ko yung production work sa Lovingly Yours, Helen, until I became its scriptwriter at saka yung pong comedy show namin noon na Family 3+1. And pagkatapos noon, ako po ay naging executive producer ng mga GMA shows like GMA Telecine and Kasangga. Hanggang kinuha na po ako ng GMA News. Sa GMA News, doon po masasabi na talagang na-inculcate sa akin ang kahalagahan ng fairness, ng paghanap ng truth, ng integrity pagdating sa broadcast journalism. Sabi nga ng mga boss namin, kahit entertainment story yung ginagawa, dapat learn to seek the truth, learn to be fair. So I would like to thank all those people who helped mold me into what I am now as a broadcast journalist. Ma'am Marisa Flores, Ma'am Jessica Soho, Michelle Seva, Sheila Pascual Paras, John Ray Arabe, Antonio Magsumbol, at marami pa pong iba from the men and women of GMA News. And of course, this award is for my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Wala po ako kung hindi dahil sa Kanya. He must increase, but I must decrease. So let me end this with the tagline sa amin pong Chika Minute. Here it goes. Lars Santiago, updated sa showbiz. Thank you.
Our next award, Honors Artist,